Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a natural makeup look, and I think I haven't done a natural makeup tutorial on my channel since a very long time. So this video was requested and let's just get started. So first I'm going to moisturize my face, and so to start off I'm gonna be using Dr.Belmeur Daily Clarifying Moisturizer, and my skin is not doing really well lately. It's been really dry and my skin is breaking out a lot. So I'm just going to moisturize my face really well. So next up I'm gonna be using my Innisfree No Sebum Blur Primer, and I'm just going to pop this all over my face, focusing on my cheek and my nose area because that's where I have large pores. So next up I'm gonna be using Bb B.B Boomer cream. It's a tinted moisturizer. This moisturizer will also brighten up your skin and give your skin a natural glow. So next up I'm gonna be using my Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick, and I'm using this as a concealer. It's in the shade F4. It looks really great and it blends really good. So I'm just going to apply it my under eye area to hide my dark circles, also going to hide my dark spots on my face. I'm also going to apply around my nose to hide the redness. So next up, with the help of my damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend it really well. And this Makeup Revolution Fast Base Stick is really creamy. It's very good for dry skin people, and it blends really well into the skin without looking patchy or cakey. Next up, to set my concealer, I'm going to be using Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. You can use any translucent loose powder to set your makeup, or you can use baby powder to set your makeup. It will also work really well. So I'm just going to set my under eye area because that's where your concealer will crease, and I'll be setting everywhere else where I put my concealer. So next up, I'm just dusting off the extra powder. So now the time for brows. I'm using a spoolie to brush it off, and I'm just brushing it off on the upward direction. And next up, for my brows, I'm going to be using my NYX brow gel just to give them a natural look. So next up, I'm filling and setting my brows with the help of my NYX brow gel. Next up, I'm using eyelash curler to curl my lashes so that my eyes will look bigger and brighter. Next up, I'll be using my Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. You can skip this step if you want, but mascara will really help your eyes to look bigger and brighter. Also, it will make your lashes look fuller. Next up, I'll be using highlighter. You can use a stick highlighter or a liquid highlighter. So I'm going to be using my Wet n Wild liquid highlighter, and I'm just popping it on the top of my nose, on my cheekbones. And this highlighter is a very subtle highlighter. It will not show the texture on the skin, and it blends really well into the skin. So next up, I'll be using my L'Oreal Paris Nude Pink Lip Liner to draw my lips, and I'm using the same lip liner to fill my lips. and I'm using my fingers to smudge it out so that it will look more natural. Next up, I'll be using my Maybelline Baby Lips Tinted Lip Balm to moisturize my lips and to give that hint of pink on my lips. For my blush, I'll be using my 3 Concept Eyes Lip and Cheek Pot. It's in the shade Morning Skin and it's a very beautiful corally pink shade, and just applying a very little on my cheeks so that it will give my face a flushed look, and blending it out with the help of my beauty blender. So here it is, a natural makeup tutorial for you guys, and this look is so easy, and I just love that it brightens up your whole face without putting a whole lot of products. So I hope you loved this video and found it helpful for yourself. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button already, be sure you do so now. And I'll see you guys next week. Bye. Take care.